good. I need to hold something right here because I don't want to lose that part right here. See, when you come down, that thing loose right there. That's not good. Then you got to start all over. So yeah, it's good enough. So after remove this one, what you want to do, you want to remove this also, and then depend on how long this is, if it can be twist. So just remove this, and then you'll be able to spin like this on some of them. Some of them you have to step by step. Some of them you're gonna have to take this off, and then this off, and then this able to spin because depend on how big the tank is. And then you have to remove this out. It's not so easy that people think it's easy to change a hot water tank. Now, if you're a professional, yeah, that's easy. But still, it's not that easy. You're going to deal with a lot of difficulty sometimes. If, you know, a lot of time you're going to have to run back and forth to the store. And then you got to have a gas stove before you put it all back in. So now I shut the water out off with the flathead that I had earlier. And then we're going to take this and give it away. Somebody want it, just put it outside. It take 5-6 minutes, it'll be gone. So I removed that part right there after I shut it off. And then this one, a lot of time they have screw. This one doesn't have screw, so it's okay. So we're just gonna move that and try to do with 2 people. Do by yourself, you can hurt yourself. So, well, now I'm putting pipe dope in there and start tightening one piece at a time because I'm using the old original piece. I'm not buying the flex one, so I tighten about 3 times. Now when you tighten this thing, you don't want to tighten just one of this. You just don't want to have the one wrench. You want to have another one right there to hold it so it don't break this piece, because if you put too much force on this, you will break this part right there, and then you're in trouble. You cannot return it. So yes, you have to have 2 of them.
Okay.
Now once you tighten this thing, got it pretty tight, your best bet is to hold one you need down here and then hold this part while the water is full. Tank is full, still move because of that piece. So best thing to do is to have somebody to help you. That's your best bet. So I'm gonna tie like this. I'm gonna hold right there. I have my aunt gonna help me on one side, and he tried to video, but I'm not gonna do a video. I'm gonna have him help me better. So hold on the video. So now I got a pipe dope right there. I'm put it. I don't want to put too much, but I want to put enough for that. So now I'm gonna tighten. So right now I got it like this. So as you can see, the metal is not hitting it. So I can be able to use this without take everything apart. Your best bet is to use the flex pipe. It's much easier. So I hope I can. Whoa, I don't know. We'll find now. Okay. Huh?
I don't know, buddy.
What? Oh, shit, yeah. So we have a problem right there. We cannot lift it all the way up. We're gonna see how much force we can put on here. I'm gonna dope this first and trying to push it up and then put it back on here, because this thing is a little bit too long. That's why a lot of people are using the flex pipe. I was thinking something else. Yes, gotta go opposite way. want to do right now, you want to make sure this is hold on one side while you tighten it. But I'm going to try to tighten it first because it's not that tight yet. And this thing going to align itself right there. It's going to spin itself, so it's going to go in the what's that called, the loop, the lips?
Yep.
Yeah, the lip. So now it is tight, so I'm going to tighten some more. And then I'm going to use different hand right there. I use the left hand to push and this to hold. Yeah, that's tight. So now I'm gonna make sure the heat is shut off first. I want to make sure everything is. I want to be able to smell if there's any gas leak, anything like that. I'll be able to shut it off. It shouldn't be, but you always have to check to smell because gas will smell fast. So I'm gonna turn on the heat, the gas. Gas should be on right now. So I do have another tool that I could use, but either you can use a Phillips or this. Now, usually if you want to, you can sit here a little bit and smell if there's a gas smell or anything, or you can use the soap water and just spray on it and see if it leaks. So far I don't think it's gonna leak, but I'm still gonna spray it just to double check that everything is good. I forgot my light, so I'm gonna have to use my phone, but I believe it should be good. Yeah, that's good. So far everything's good, so I'm gonna put this cap back on. Not the cap, the drain for the plate drain. Yeah, you're gonna have to use this kind now in the day. A lot of people have to use this just in case there's water leaks and stuff like that. But I don't know if there's a water leak. I don't know what you're gonna do because the water's gonna be more than this. So if you don't know about it, if it leak through your if you got a second floor, that definitely not good. But if you got a second floor, you might want to run the pipe right here, so that way if there's water leak, it go right down to the drain pipe. So this is good in a way. But right here, I'm just having it just to have it. Everything's all set, so I'm gonna put this on pilot and push this hold about a minute or two, so the gas will come up there, and then I press the igniter right there. But you gotta press and hold this for a while for the gas to come. If not, you'll be like, "What? No, this is not working." It's working. Should be. Oh, yes, it's working great. And now I gotta put the I forgot to buy the pressure relief valve pipe. I bought it, but I forgot the hose. So I'm gonna spray. This is where it was kind of moved a little bit before. I know it's not leaking, but I want to double check it just in case.
Right.
Yeah, no bubble.
Nope.
Cause if it's the bubble, we smell already.
Oh yeah.
Because the way they built it, it's too much right there. Because it's they should have something to hold this in the beginning, for that, not this long and then go like that.
Right.
That's, you know. Always check and make sure that it's not just that side you did, because sometimes if you did something, you move something, you know, if you tamper with it, it moves.
You didn't record that.
So nope, no bubble. When you see the bubble, you'll see it like great bubble, like.
Yep.
But there's no bubble, so we are
good.
See the bubble like that, but it's not bubbling. Always, that's the best bet to do, is to always check to make sure nothing is.
good. Gotcha.
So just for doing this, I'm not gonna use the cleaner right here, the purple. I'm just gonna use the cement. Just, you know, it don't have to be nothing crazy. Slide it a couple times and then put it in and twist it. That's all you need to do. Twist it and then tighten this thing back. Make sure it's tight. And then I'm gonna use the tape, paper tape for it. I don't even know where to put that at.
You used it all. It was empty.
Oh, it was empty?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you don't really need it that bad because this thing just, the water ain't gonna splash out like that. Just close it back. Yep.
Oh.
That's good enough. That's done.
Mm-hmm. Like I said, there's no pressure on it.
Yeah. Thing I want to mention about this pot right there. This top one has to be taller than this. So basically, this pipe should not go lower. Like if it's like that, it cannot be lower. It's got to be up high. If not, you will get carbon monoxide and die.